feet on the ground, yeah. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. I said, all you wanna do is ride around, Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
One of these early mornings, I'm gonna be wiping your weeping eye, yeah. Bought to a brand new Mustang in 1969. Now you come around, a dignified woman, you're gonna let me ride Mustang, Sally, now, baby. I bet you're gonna slow your Mustang down. You've been running all over town. You better put your flat feet on the ground. Hey,
What you gonna do? Ride
around, Sally. Ride, Sally.
Oh, what you gonna do? Ride around, Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride.
Oh, what you gonna do? Ride around, Sally.
Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. One of these early mornings, you're gonna be wiping those weeping eyes, yeah. Mustang Sally.
Sure, walking the mountains. Walking the mountains.
Ah, sure.
Put on my blue suede shoes.
It's something nice.
Timmy windows.
Timmy windows. My glasses are stained, never mind the windows. I was thinking about parking the other night.
Son of a preacher man.
We was out on the back road. Me and my baby was just getting right. All systems on overload. Radio blasting in the front seat, turning out the music fine. We would snuggle up in the back seat, making up for lost time. Steamy windows, zero visibility. What's that thing doing? There's a man escaping up. He's escaping up there.
Portadown. The next station is Derryaki.
Yes, Portadown.
We
Best train journey that I've had in my life. Boys on my
Every train journey is a good one when you're on it, Trina.
I'm a rock singer, you say, and Nick will tell me, how can a rock singer be so quiet? Oh, I love my soul, yeah.
Atlantic shows. Lobby. Alright, I'm got the voice for you know.
How you doing? That's his eyebrow. That's his eyebrow.
Well, give us another song. We've only two songs. Sing My Girl.
Oh, wait a minute, that's my oldest rain, and come on, we gotta do this right.
Oh, the rain.
Eyes like sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold What can make me feel this way? It's my girl. Talking about my girl. I've got so much loving to be given free. I got a sweeter song that I could sing than new birds in the trees. I guess you'll say, ooh, what can make me feel this way? It's my girl. Talking about my girl.
My girl.
My girl. Sorry?
Here's Lambeg. That's not you know. Oh, you're just
This is teriyaki.
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 Oh, teriyaki.
Alright. Who are you voting for?
I said you have to put this as the xfactor now. I have to vote here.
Yeah? Taylor? Sorry?
Hey, I'm being so close on you.
We're putting her in next year, so if you see her vote.
Not putting her in next year.
I'd be on calendar to go to
They're going to
Been in
put me
there
on the
already.
xfactor.
Give
They
it
may go to the laptop.
X-Factor couldn't handle your voice. X-Factor couldn't handle your voice.
That's it.
Outstanding. I could listen to you all day.
I know,
All day.
I love my soul. So he's a soul child like me. I love what he calls him.
No, he's an only child. Not a soul child. God.
We don't know any songs about my fate.
He's a Glorietta fan, though.
Look at those Glorietta songs.
He does a damn good Mariah Carey, but
She was brilliant.
What?
It's really, really brilliant.
The next stop is Lambeg.
The next stop
We are
is
now approaching
Lambeg.
Lambeg.
We are now approaching. Let me say.
We are not. What do you say?
Tell her to hang up and say, son of a preacher.
No, it says we are now approaching Lambeg. We're on the platform.
now we're at Lambeg.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
I will have 10 minutes.